that's it. Thank you. You say it was a great event, but not just...
It was a really great event. I enjoyed it, and mashallah, you know, all the donations going for a good cause to Palestine. Mashallah, today was a good event.
تحيتهم يوم أد لهم أجرا كريما يا أيها
constantly pressed us because they worked across the world, from Palestine, Yemen, Pakistan of course, and across the UK too.
Just a doctor, because doctor get the prescribed and garbage. So, but no, it was great. It was something different. And if you come on a serious note, mental health is very, very important these days. People talk very.
Is very brave, so thank you. Let's talk a little bit about your early...
7 million when you said there's no money to give. About adding £500 each or £250 each and you will become a donation of £10,000. I'm going to leave that with you, but we are very grateful. Another round of applause for them, mashallah. Ladies and gentlemen, we have nearly got 10. I'm still looking for one more. We are at £49,000 right now. Looking for one more donation of 5,000. We'll go to take us over the 5,000 mark. 5,000, last call, ladies and gentlemen. Last call. You don't have to give 5,000. You want me to move on?